What's up? It's your girl Nemo here today with
Zoe.
And it has been a while since she's been on the channel, but here she is back and wanting to change it up. Not sure that's gonna happen. She wants to go from this to yellow
and orange.
Yellow and orange, and I've tried to explain to her that may not happen, but we can give it a shot. We're gonna go ahead and test out Color Oops and see how it works. The colors we used before were Strawberry and Leopard. It was a ombre from the color Shade to Fantasy, and it looked really nice. It wasn't exactly what we tried to do. We thought Shade was a dark blue, but it turned out black. That was several months ago. It is now faded. It's like greenish at the roots and still a really strong blue at the bottom, so I don't know how this is gonna happen. So hopefully you don't have your hopes up, because I'm not super hopeful. I'm just being honest. Miracles happen every day. I'm just trying to give you realistic expectations. Going from blue to yellow is hard without frying your hair off. So we'll see. I'm not going to fry her hair off, by the way. If this doesn't work, then I might try one other thing, and if that doesn't work, we're just going to have to work with the blue. Sorry, kiddo.
Yeah.
It is what it is. Blue's a pain in the butt to get out. So anyway, I'm going to stop talking and mix up this Color Oops, and we're going to see what happens. We got it all put on, and I'm gonna let it sit for 20 minutes as per the directions, and we actually have to rinse it for a while, I think.
No boy.
Yeah.
This stuff stinks.
While that's happening, I'm actually going to research other color removing methods, because I don't think this is gonna work, unfortunately. We'll see. Stranger things have happened, but we'll be back after we've rinsed it and show you what happened. We are back, and it's actually a week later. As you can see, the colors did diddly squat.
It was terrible.
Yeah, so that was a fail. But I did a little more research, and I'm actually a little bit hopeful that we're gonna get the blue out today.
Yay.
What we're gonna try is this, the Punky Color Off. It claims that it easily removes all hair color, temporary, semi, demi, and permanent. I've actually seen reviews on this where it doesn't actually get everything out, but it actually seems to work pretty well for like blues and greens. So I feel like we have a lot better chance of success today. We will see.
1, 2, 3, 4.
We ran out with literally just a couple sections in her bangs left. I tried to stretch it towards the end, but it just wasn't happening. I don't know how much this is working because her hair is still quite blue.
But we gotta wait to 10 to 40 minutes. So.
Yeah, the directions say leave on at room temperature for 10 to 40 minutes, so I'm gonna keep an eye on it, but I'm feeling a little bit discouraged again. We're gonna leave it on for up to 40 minutes, keep an eye on it, and if it works, I'll go get another box for these last two pieces, but obviously I'm gonna wait until we rinse this out and see what happens, if anything. So we'll be back in just a second with the results of rinsing this out. Here we are. We did end up leaving it in for the full 50 minutes because I could tell it wasn't taking it completely out yet. But after that time, obviously rinsed it out. I'm not gonna leave it on longer than recommended, but it did a lot. It's not completely gone. However, look, huge difference. It's nearly blonde, but I don't think it's quite where it should be for what she wants to do next, which is like yellow and orange. I'm pretty sure putting yellow over this would turn it mostly green. But we've got another idea that's gonna be really cute that will work just fine over what we have. I don't wanna put her hair through anything else. I will probably get another box of the Punky color remover to take care of these last few bits that we just couldn't make happen today. But I kind of like that we have it to kind of compare, you know? That's it for this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.